Shilpa and welcome to another video. This week's LSAMI shout out goes to Shilpa. Thank you so much for a lovely comment this week. If you achieved it on the social media platforms, there are all the links. Alright, welcome to this week's beauty video. Kind of a different setup than usual, but honestly the setup is on point for today's video. So the festive season was coming up and I happened to be staying in this beautiful property of Anuraga Palace in Ranthambore. And the aesthetic just fit perfectly with this video. Why not when I'm here shoot this video? I am basically doing like an easy breezy festive look. Tons of festivals are coming up. I don't even know where to begin. So I just wanted to do a quick like makeup look with very affordable products that you're going to be seeing. Something very quick yet appropriate for the festive season. And I'm also showing you the complete outfit, the complete look. Get ready for the montage because I'm not going to be shooting it here but in the property. And yes, I know the lighting is usual. I am not used to shooting with natural light at all, but that's a good thing actually because the makeup will show very clearly. And yes, I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. Okay, to start off with a primer which I definitely think you need to invest in. So this is the L'Oreal Base Magique and I'm going to get started by applying. Honestly, for festive season, no matter what function you have to attend, I think that you should never ever compromise or like forget your primer. Like literally the effort you put in your base will determine how the makeup is going to look for the rest of the event. And this is like a nice thick primer. I have been loving it since the time I've discovered it, and of course all the products will be linked down below. So some products for me were like getting empty, so I wanted them ASAP. Like I was literally leaving for the trip in 2 days and I was like shit, I need some of the products for the trip. So I went on Amazon and I've ordered all these products from there. Number one, of course, because their shipping was super duper fast, and secondly because as you're watching this video, their Great Indian Festive Sale is now live. These products were at such good discounts, such good offers. I'll try and insert whatever they have on the screen. So I thought, you know, it was the perfect time to stock up on my empties, try out new products. Next, I love to do my concealer before I apply my foundation. I just prefer, you know, the light heavy coverage of the concealer underneath my foundation. So I'm going in with the super duper trusty Maybelline Age Rewind. Like you cannot go wrong with this concealer, and for me concealers dry out very fast, so the texture of it is super duper important and this does the job. Honestly, I go in everywhere with my concealer, but try and focus the majority on the high points. I look a little bit crazy right now because the concealer is lighter than my foundation, but once we go in the foundation it'll be alright. This is something like the reverse contouring technique which I like to follow. For foundation, the most affordable long wearing foundation I know, and because of the sale you could get it at a crazy deal. So it's the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. 24-hour long wearing, and I love the finish. Like even though it's long wearing, it's not cakey on your skin, it still has a very nice sheen finish. Drop down in the comments that what like festival are you most excited for. I think the majority answer would be Diwali. Like I am just looking forward to that entire festival. Everything being like there being lights all around just lifts me up. And as always, after my blender I like to go in with the makeup brush just to ensure that there are no creases or any harsh areas, and especially for a day look. Like night mein to sab conceal ho jata hai pretty much. Coming to contouring, blush and highlight. This purchase that I've recently made from Amazon, like I bought it just to test it out. I did not have like a compact palette which had all of these 3 things in a travel friendly pack, so I purchased this and I've been using it since the last 2 days, and oh my god, it is so good. It is right in the affordable category. Again, got a crazy offer on this, so I'll put down the latest price or just check out the link for the latest price of this. And this has all 3 things. It comes in a variety of shades as well. I went in for 01. So you have a blush, you have a contour and you have a highlight right here. We are firstly going to go in with blush maybe. I'm taking a flat rectangular brush. It is pretty much fluffy, but it's more angled than round. Like it's more rectangle than round. So I always go in with the lightest hand first. You can always build up your blush. And I just like to go from here to here. And now I'm going to cut underneath the blush with my bronzer slash contour, and I don't have an appropriate brush for this, so I'm going to take the beauty blender. I'm going in with very light small strokes, maybe a little bit along the nose as well. And since this palette is already open, I'm going to go in with the highlight shade as well. I'm taking a fluffy but again a little rectangular brush so that I can, you know, instead of it being on round on one point, I can just drag it along the cheekbone. That is a good intensity. I'll have to literally tone it down. My favorite thing ever, doing a line along the nose and then here. Also, these little brushes right here again from Amazon, and let me know which video this brush is from. Now for brows, because they desperately need attention right now. I love this. This I've been using since quite a while, and it's very affordable, so I thought I'll recommend it. It's the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. So it has two ends. The first one is of course the spoolie end. Just slightly brush up my eyebrows. And then this one is in a dark brown shade instead of a black shade. Even though my hair is pretty much jet black, but I still like to go in with this and apply a more heavier hand on the outer side and a lighter hand on the inner side. This is basically triangular shaped, so that makes it very convenient. Let's talk about eyeshadow now. I want to recommend this palette combo to you because I purchased this and I thought that this was like the best combination ever in such a good price. These two palettes came in a combo. It's from Makeup Revolution. I love their eyeshadows, and the one is more like a night look, so it has more darker tones, more metallics, more neutrals, and then the other palette is this colorful combination, so you have some really nice shimmers, bronze, and I think that these two perfectly are the pretty much only palettes you're going to need this festive season. So the outfit I have planned for today, which I'm going to be sharing with you, is a purple set. So I'm just thinking what I want to do. So I'm going to take the fluffy round brush, a smaller brush, like not very big, and go in with a lighter shade, peach moment I think here, and just go in lightly, go in all over the crease just to have a nice base color. Like kabhi concealer, as you can see, it's not all over the eyelid, so I just like to go in with this base shade all over, get a basic also shape going, and you go in with a round fluffy hand. So can you see the difference? Like just the base shade and then this one with no eyeshadow. Okay, I think next I'm gonna go in with this shade to build it up, and then with the purplish shade. And even this purple and this purple look good and they might go with my outfit. So I'm just going to dheere build up on these colors and get like a nice smoky eye going in this purple pinkish range. And this is honestly one of the easiest glam looks you can do this like ethnic season. Just take the lightest color, take a nice color palette, a nice color story, and gradually build it up. Now that I have the shape basically defined, I'm going in with the first brush and just like smudging it all out. And here you can extend the wing if you want to. You can keep it like neat and close to the eyes. Okay, now coming to the fun part, the glitter part of it. Now honestly, you can go in with a color which suits your outfit. I do want to go in with a kind of a goldish color, this brighter gold instead of this bronzier gold. Now if you want more intense pigment, you can always go in with the hands. For liner, something that I've been obsessed with, the Maybelline Colossal Liner. Again, it's available at a good price. Like I am also going to stock up on more of these because they are now going to be my go-to. Finish it all off for mascara, the trusty old L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I can't even count how many times I've gone through the tubes of this particular mascara, and you can stock this up on a great discount right now. And for lipstick, I'm going to go in with this Rouge Signature from L'Oreal. I love the finish of this, and of course it's long lasting, and the most important thing is that it is very comfortable on your lips as well. So let's quickly finish this makeup because I can't wait to like shoot the montage, like wear the outfit. I even got earrings which I'm going to be like showing. I got a complete set. gonna now change into my outfit for this particular video. I bought this kurta set, and again it's from Amazon. So instead of a palazzo, you have a ghagra kind of a skirt for the bottom. Look at the beautiful wine color. This is what the kurta looks like. So hints of gold, hints of festive, but I just really like this nice wine kind of a color. And to finish off the outfit, I was getting this really cool pair of earrings from Amazon. So it has this purplish effect and it's round, and it, like, as you can see, the look is coming together. So I want the final look to be a surprise to you guys. So we're gonna straight away cut to the final ethnic look and the montage. And that was the end of this video. All the products I have used will be linked down below, and a reminder once again that the products right now are on a great discount and some great offers are going on out there on Amazon because of that great Indian festive sale. And yes, any other thoughts, ideas, comments you have, please also drop them down in the comments box below. I hope you love this change of scenery, and yes, I shall see you very soon with another video.